Hey guys, today we're going to talk about integer word problems. So first, I just want to go over what steps I think you should be making. Why are you not zooming out? There you go. What steps you should be making when doing word problems. So step one, you need to understand the problem by underlining the important stuff. Underline your important stuff. Part of that important stuff is underlining what the problem is asking. What is going on here? So that means the question. And then cross out any silly stuff. Any unnecessary thing that you don't care about that's not part of the problem, you can just cross it out. When devising your plan, you want to make sure that you're circling the keywords and using those so you know what kind of operations are going on. Make sure that when you're carrying out your plan, you're performing any necessary calculations. And be sure to check your work. When you review, make sure you look back. Check for any careless mistakes. And ask yourself, does the answer seem reasonable? Really going back to the question that you underlined. Are you answering the question? Are you trying to look for distance and it's saying from your house to school is 1,000,000 miles? That doesn't make sense. So make sure that your answer makes sense in the end. All right, and we'll practice this together in a couple of these word problems. So if we look at the first one, the water level in a large tank rises 5 feet, falls 9 feet, and then rises 3 feet. Overall, how far does the water rise or fall? So underlining the important information, we know that it rises 5 feet, it falls 9 feet, rises 3 feet. And then we're going to underline our question. We want to know, how far does the water rise or fall? Some key words I'm seeing here. Rise. That's going to tell me that my amount is going up, so it's going to be positive. Falls says it's going down, so we're probably going to be subtracting 9 there. And then again, we see rises 3. That's going up by 3, so we're adding again. So it seems here to me, I have plus 5, so positive 5. I'm subtracting 9, and then I'm adding 3. Now you just went over order of operations yesterday. You can start off by doing LCO here, plus minus. So I have 5 plus negative 9, which would be negative 4. I'm still needing to add 3 though. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So when now it says at the end, how far does the water level rise or fall? My final answer can be water level falls 1 feet. 1 foot. That's a pretty good answer at the end. Let's look at the next one together then too. A submarine is at 400 feet below sea level. If it ascends 150 feet and then descends 320 feet, how far is it above or below sea level? So again, we're going to go through and underline our important information. We know that it is 400 feet below sea level. It ascends 150 feet, then descends 320 feet. In the end, we need to know how far is it above or below sea level. Circling my keywords. It says it's 400 feet below sea level, so I know I'm dealing with negative 400 here. Ascent means that we're going up, so I'm going to be adding 150 feet. Descends means we're going down, so I am subtracting 320 feet. So if I'm starting at negative 400 feet below sea level, I'm going up, I'm adding 150 feet. And then I'm going down 320, I'm subtracting 320. Now I can go ahead and just start evaluating this. I'm going to go ahead and do LCO real quick. Now I can just go from left to right. Negative 400 plus 150 is negative 250. I'm still adding negative 320. I have the same signs here, so I'm just going to add those two numbers together and apply the proper sign. So after combining them all together, I get negative 570. However, I have to make sure I'm answering the question. How far is it above or below sea level? Well, since it's negative, I'm below sea level. So we can say the submarine is 570 feet below sea level. All right. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems on here. I want you guys to do all 7 of these problems. You are submitting them on Schoology. If you have any questions, make sure you send me an email. Bye.